They should all work together and they should all work differently.
Okay.
This is Expert Perspective by Martin Gawbach Company. It's daily, so subscribe if you like it. We're not scared of you, so comment if you have something to say. We like you. Are you a liker? Like this episode if you like it and you're a liker.
Welcome.
Marketing channel. Marketing channel is everything that has to do with your brand sending a message. So yeah, it has to do with radio advertising, but it also has to do with the way your waitress treats the people at her tables. A marketing channel is word of mouth. Marketing channel is stickers you post at gas pumps illegally. It is guerrilla stuff, it's digital stuff, it's print, it's radio, it's television, it's billboards. All of those are different channels, but the message should be on brand and have some continuity. The ad you run on Instagram as a picture should not be the ad you run on a billboard as a picture. They should work together, but they shouldn't be the same. So differentiate your marketing channels, know what the person should experience when they receive the message in that channel, and then make the different ones work together. They saw a Facebook ad for Sarasota marketing, then they searched marketing 2 months later, and they saw that the company that ran the ad on Facebook is now coming from their search results. You want those two things to work together by having the same sort of message and even sometimes the same exact words and same pictures and logos and everything. So without getting too much into it, all these are different channels. They should all work together and they should all work differently. If that's all I said, that would sound really dumb, but it's true.
Martin's glued coins onto snail mail brochures and manage $250,000 marketing budgets for small businesses. From citrus sellers to surgery centers. He pulls no punches on our website or any of our content when bragging about how to do what we do well. Follow, like, subscribe, or do whatever, wherever you want. We have a podcast, Alexa Flash Briefings, Facebook, TikTok, and all that. And if you decide to partner with us, you know you'll get to relax since we've got that 100% 5-star review and success rate over all the years we've been around. What are you saying there? Martin's glued coins in a snail mail brochure? What does that mean?